Me again. Time for more writing. Writing paragraph 2. So, if you are keeping up with your lessons, A plus, good job. We have already planned out our Oreo story, or I keep saying story, essay, and you've already written paragraph 1. If you have not planned it out, you need to go back to Friday's lesson from October 16th. If you have not done paragraph 1, you need to go back to yesterday, Monday's lesson. Today, Tuesday, we are doing paragraph 2. So let's get started. They always say that on YouTube videos when my kids are pretending to be YouTube stars. They say, let's get started. All right, so you are going to need your book, your writer's notebook, whatever piece of paper you wrote on yesterday, and you're going to need your planning page, all right? So we already did paragraph 1. Today we are working on paragraph 2, which is only going to be whatever you put in here. You're going to have to add more details, but that's the only information that we're going to focus on. So for mine, I said that Haley students should wear school uniforms because they look nice. That was my reason. An example would be that we won't have inappropriate clothing like sometimes we do now. So if you look at the back side, this is page 6, you're going to state your reason. You're going to explain the reason, and you're going to give examples. And I need to have at least 3 sentences. So first thing is first. I am going to state my reason, but I'm not going to write looks nice. That's not a sentence. I need to make it into a sentence. So maybe it'd be better if I'd say uniforms look nice. Okay, so let's write that. I'll be right back. Okay, so uniforms look nice. And then instead of going right into no inappropriate clothing, maybe I'll explain why I think they look nice. Because usually uniforms are a collared shirt. That's one where this is not a collared shirt. It's just plain. Collars are when there's like that little piece that's bent over. There's like a button up maybe. So like collared shirts look professional and clean. And usually you wear like khaki pants or navy blue pants. So let me say a sentence about that. Okay, so I went with, they are usually collared shirts and khaki pants. This looks professional. And notice as I'm writing, I'm putting in my uppercase letters and my periods because you're using your checking fingers where you start with uppercase and with punctuation. Start with uppercase and with punctuation. This looks professional. Do that as you write so you don't have to do it all at the very end. Okay, so now I can talk about how there won't be inappropriate clothing, and that should round out my paragraph. Let me do that, and I'll be back in just like 2 seconds. Okay, I was just finishing my last sentence. So what I said was sometimes kids wear inappropriate clothing, and then I give an example of that, like shorts that are too short, comma, and spaghetti strap tank tops. Uniforms will, should I say fix this? Eliminate this. That's a better word. Will eliminate means get rid of this problem. So that's a really nice paragraph. Notice I started with an indent again because I'm showing you that that's my second paragraph. It's about a little bit different than the first. The first was introducing what I'm going to talk about. The second was talking about just this one reason. So now tomorrow when I write my third paragraph, I'll start with an indent so I can introduce my next reason. So today you need to write me one really nice paragraph. And remember, a proper paragraph, so remember a proper paragraph is going to be 3 to 5 or more sentences. Indent, so you leave a space before the first word of the first sentence. And that first sentence is introducing my topic. That's why I started with that the uniforms look nice. And the other sentence is support how uniforms look nice. And then the last sentence gets us ready to end that and move on to the next paragraph. Okay, so go ahead and write your second paragraph today. Make sure you finish it so that you're ready for paragraph 3 tomorrow. See ya. Happy writing.